Okay, just counting down to the market open, and we've been talking about as to how the leadership in the market is changing. Just want to brief you with the kind of texture that we left the day with yesterday. It's turned out to be a rather sideways session. Finally, we gave up all of our gains, closed in flat, clinging on to that 9,000 mark. However, about 9,100 continues to be elusive. Yesterday, of course, you saw that sporadic move come in the entire aviation names. Considering the airlines are going to commence operation come Monday 25th. So Interglobe Aviation was a solid mover by about 7%. The big mover yesterday, or rather I should say biggest amongst the Nifty names, was clearly ITC, an 8% move coming in there. You had ITC jump up quite a fair bit, and remember ITC collated has seen a 15% move thereabouts in just the last 5 trading sessions as well. Metals as well rebounded a little bit. Positive news flow coming out of China. Most companies begin operations. You've got comments coming in from Apple as well that while the demand continues to be bleak, most of their operations are up and running. So Hindalco as well managed a good show yesterday, about a 6.5% uptick. And we just chatted with Kunal about the charts on some of the liquor names. They as well did well. But I think today the focus is really going to be about banks and what financials are going to do. Maybe they go in quiet into the RBI governor's press conference. Post that, that's clearly going to be the most sensitive lot. Anyway, without conjecturing, let's hear out what the RBI governor has to say. The first rates then on your screens, and I'm just looking at what they're going to bring up after that close at 90.75. The SGX Nifty and the pre-open rates this morning are only indicating a very quiet start for us. The big movers today, there you go, the Nifty 90.63. It's a downtick of about almost 0.4%, and now it drifts even further, about 0.8% lower as we speak. The breadth as well, not impressive at all. 439 to 394 within the NSE universe. SBI starts off flat, Supply is a little bit in the red, Sun Pharma quiet, Airtel still holding up, Unilever flat, Nestle as well, the first rates haven't trickled in, and Infosys, that's the one which is reacting to news this morning, that jumps up smartly in the green. Remember, the class action lawsuit has been dismissed. Plaintiff dismissed a lawsuit without any prejudice, and the suit alleged claims for violations of security laws. So a clean sheet coming in for Infosys, and that really is something that the markets are rejoicing. Let's see what Reliance is up to. While yesterday itself, when the papers were reporting that KKR may be looking to invest, you already saw that price action come in on Reliance. But the PE firm KKR is now looking to invest 11,367 crore rupees in the Geo platforms. That's the 5th check that Reliance gets in the last 2 months or so, and Reliance still going strong, 1450 plus on Reliance. ITC, after 5 consecutive days of gains, finally ITC is taking a bit of a breather. Remember, yesterday was a big move coming on the stock price, held out by about almost 8%, and today it goes in quiet into a trade and has started off a little bit soft as we speak right now. Besides that, of course, I just want to quickly check in on what the financials are up to. Yesterday turned out to be yet again a rough day for the Bajaj Finance twins, Finance as well as Finserv. Finserv, of course, reacted to its numbers, so just want to check in on what those names are up to. IndusInd Bank as well fell yesterday, so did HDFC. So financials continues to be the bleakest pocket, and that in anticipation of what the RBI governor is going to deliver at 10 a.m. today is the sensitive lot. But besides that, the market texture, Nikunj, continues to be unimpressive. Failed attempt at 9100 yet again.
We are underperforming. That is unfortunately a fact. And ahead of RBI press conference, if banks Nifty are down, that is just telling you that markets frankly have lost a lot of hopes from government action. The finance minister's package was nothing short of a big disappointment. Even though Reserve Bank of India, they've done their bit. They have been really active on all front in terms of managing liquidity, cutting rates, extending moratorium. I'm surprised that there's a governor conference at 10 o'clock and banks today are trading with a downward bias. Samir